Assalamu alaikum fam, hope you're doing well. So this is more of a bamboo beef, I'd say stir fry. It has a little bit of lime. Obviously I put the lime in here with it. Ginger, garlic, soy sauce, rice vinegar, organic raw unfiltered honey, cornstarch, baby corn. This is the bamboo. I use a tri-tip cut, and there's red onion in there, but it has reduced down, so it's kind of hard for you to see it. These recipes are really easy for you to do from scratch, and then you add a little bit of water, okay? You let it reduce down until it gets nice and thick. Again, you don't have to buy sauces, you can make your own sauces, okay? It'll be much better. It takes a long time for most people, but it's worth it. And you want to cook it at high temperature so that it condenses faster. And you want to cook it in the right kind of saucepan. If you buy a wok, a Chinese style wok, that's also very beneficial for you. I'm going to serve it over white basmati rice. So it has the ginger tang to it, it has the savoriness of garlic, has a little bit of acidity from the lime, and it's, mashallah, very, very nice. So, just want to share a little recipe with you, help motivate you to cook at home for your family, and to love cooking, because it is a very valuable skill that I think everyone should learn. And yes, I've worked in a lot of restaurants with different styles of food, so I know how to make pretty good things flavor-wise, and I cook every day, and I love it very much. One of my closest friends is a chef who was trained in Germany, so definitely not shy from cooking. Alright, have a good day.